Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Ford F-150 F-150 from year 2009 to year 2014. If you need to find where the fuse for the interior lights, also known as dome lights or map lights, is located, stay with us. We'll explain that. You may have up to 3 fuses that you need to check, and we'll explain where you can buy cheap fuses from and why it's always important to test fuses. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. On this channel you will find all the fuse videos on Ford F-150. We're going to make video for every single fuse, so if you're on the road, stuck in the middle of somewhere, you need to find a specific fuse, you can just come to the channel, search for it, find it in less than, let's say, 30 seconds. You don't even need to pull your manual out of the glove box, and most of the times you will be even missing this one. Something else guys, we take cars here at the garage and we take them completely apart. We fix engines, transmissions, bodywork. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. And the mechanical work guys, okay, electric codes and things like that can be found on our main YouTube channels. Those are our older channels, and this one is our new channel where we're going to share just fuses so we can make it really convenient for you to find the information that you need. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, relays for your Ford F-150, because those can be really expensive at the parts store or the dealership, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can get them at a really good price and quick shipping as well. So let's continue. Before we start, okay, let me tell you, we will be demonstrating on 2012 Ford F-150, but even if you have that generation different year, the video may be helpful guys. You will have 2 fuse boxes. One is under the hood, but we don't need to work on this one. We'll need the one that's inside the vehicle. It's actually on the passenger side, right under the glove box, on the right side by the kick panel right there. So when you open it guys, that fuse box will look just like that. Now let's explain before we start why it's super important to test fuses guys and relays, so you don't waste your money and time. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So what we guys have here specifically, you can see on the left side we're going to start, okay, right here, and we're going to go with count to fuse number 4. Even if you have a missing space, you still count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is one of the fuses guys, okay, for dome lights, interior lights, that 10 fuse. Then you need to go to fuse number 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That 15 fuse guys right here will need to be checked as well. Then you have one more, which is known as fuse number 21. So if you come in that third row right here, it will be 1, 2, 3, the third row. Okay, the third fuse in the second row right here, the 10 fuse right above the relay, that's the fuse that you will need to check. If you need to buy cheap fuses and relays, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.